Andito na kami sa Asian store. Century Tuna. And meron din silang sardina. Mas madami pa ditong mamasitas. Maulan ang tubingan today. UFC ketchup. So, ito ang pinaka-importante sa kanyang barbecue. Yan, bantayan niyo si Austin ha, habang si Mama naglilinis ha, okay?
Good morning. Gandang It's morning.
It's like Guten Tag.
Good morning. Magandang araw.
Why are you looking at me?
Good morning. Magandang araw. It's coffee time.
Yucks, kakawani mo lang to eh.
What's today's plan?
What's today's plan? Back to you.
We will go to Chilean,
Because?
buy some ingredients because my wife requested for Filipino barbecue.
Gusto mo pala, Karsten. Yung laway, uy. Ako din nag-request. No, he actually wanted to make one and I said, go.
Oh, because we didn't have barbecue in a long time, and since we have a visitor tomorrow,
Oh, really? Yeah, what else tomorrow? Someone's coming. Gonna be cooking. You will see. There na siya. Oh.
Austin's Kanakuan is coming.
Adi. Tingnan niyo naman si Austin, guys. Oh, busy siya. This is the last hotdog pala from the Asian market that we got. And wala nang iba. Gusto ko sanang sabawan si Austin ng natira naming leftover na tinolang manok. But it's not good anymore. I forgot how many days na siyang hindi nakain. But ano na siya, sira na siya. So, I'm just cooking hotdog for Austin. And then, pakainin natin siya after.
Is Austin done cooking?
Hindi masyado maganda ang weather, palaging paulan-ulan. And Austin's jacket is still in the box, so we have to also put it out. Because do you remember the black jacket he has where di siya na, it's waterproof? Yeah, it's in
What
the
about you can
box.
see that the leaves are getting yellow?
Oh, yeah, it's really fall na.
I'm gonna ever go quickly to check again.
To check?
Oo.
Okay, okay. What you making, Austin?
Yeah.
What are you making? What's that? Hi friends! We are on our way outside. Pupunta tayo ng Tubingen because na-confirm ang aking friend na pupunta siya and i-visit siya dito kahit na sobrang pangit ng weather. I don't know if you could notice but umuulan guys. Hindi maganda ang weather today. But si Carson kasi is gusto niyang magkuha ng mga ingredients for marinade para at least ma-marinate daw ang barbecue. So he's gonna be making barbecue. And then pupunta tayo sa Asian market but dito lang sa malapit which is Tubingen. And today, since matagal naman si Austin nagising, we will be skipping his nap so he could wake up, so he could sleep early today. So that is the plan.
What's this mission?
And we do have umbrella. We do have umbrella. Meron din tayong pang-cover sa kinderwagen or stroller ni Austin because wala because umuulan talaga. Nakalimutan ko mag-lipstick pa lang ga.
It's okay.
I forgot to put on lipstick.
It's okay because beauty is already on your face.
Ay! Beauty daw is already on my face. And then kanina, na-scratch ni Austin ang aking face. So, meron akong palmot dito. Why are you in this side, my lab?
Because I have to pick up the medicine for si Patrick.
Ah, are we going to Tubingen later? To Marie?
Oh.
Okay. Are we?
Mm-hmm.
Yay. We're parked here in the very up. Tingnan nyo naman guys, dito sa Tubingin, sobrang ganda ng mga bahay. Parang mga palasyo ang mga bahay dito guys. You'll see. And now, we have to go out and the rain is a bit strong. Andito na kami sa Asian store. And as I've known, meron silang century tuna. So, meron nga silang century tuna. And meron din silang sardinas. So, parang dami din nilang mga seasoning for fried chicken. Banana fritter. Oh, meron din sila. Mamasitas. Adobo mix sinigang. Oh, mas madami pa ditong mamasitas. Meron silang tinola. Pansit bihon. Oh, as in guys. Andito lang si Austin guys. Oh, naka-cover siya dyan. Na-underestimate ko ang lamig. Sobrang lumamig siya. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit. Andito ang mga noodles. May mga noodles din dito. But so far, wala pa rin ako nakitang pansit canton. Naban na ba yung pansit canton guys? Because wala na talaga akong nakita. Ah, ito. Ah, pansit canton. Hot and spicy. Let's get 2 pieces because andito lang naman tayo. Beef na beef. Akala ko naban na siya. Meron pala dito. And iba pang mga noodles right here. Meron din sila. So, let's proceed. Meron din pala sila ditong Mang Tomas. Look. Mang Tomas. Meron din silang dipping na parang color green na masarap siya, but I don't know what that is. Meron din pala sila ditong bagoong. Tapos na kami and sabi ng nagtitinda hindi daw pwede mag-video doon, so hindi na kami nakapag-video, but saglit lang naman kami. Hindi madami ang aming binili. And now we're going to the milk tea. Bili kami ng mainit na milk tea. Ay, hindi pala siya mainit. Ano siya? How do you say in a normal baso lang nga? Normale baso.
Oh, no. Still.
Ay, still baso.
Why, man?
Bili tayo ng milk tea nang walang ice. Maulan ang Tubingen today. Let's go, love. Magbili lang kami ng isang milk tea because tapos na kami sa Asian store. This is how Tubingen looks like. Andito lang si Austin nakakulong sa kanyang stroller. Dito pala kami kumakain na restaurant before, guys. And sobrang ganda ng view if we're eating there. And malapit lang din to sa amin, ang Tubingen. Andito nakatira ang aking brother and sister-in-law si Patrick and Marie. And we will also go there later. Pagkatapos natin dito, so we're coming in. We are back here. So kanina, nandun kami sa Asian store. And nakita kami sa CCTV ni Carson na nagva-vlog kami ba. So sinabihan kami na hindi daw doon pwede mag-video doon sa Tubingen. And of course, pag may magsasabi ng ganyan, of course, kailangan natin siyang i-follow. Anyway, saglit lang naman din kami doon. Kumuha lang kami ng pang-marinate ng barbecue. And this is what we got. Kumuha si Carson ng vinegar because hindi naman kami naka-grocery ng vinegar sa Edeka. He also got brown sugar because kahit na merong brown sugar sa aming sa local na store, gusto niya kumuha ng from Asian. So meron tayong brown sugar. Wait, my love. Meron din tayong pansit canton. So, lutuin natin to. You want to eat, my love? Oh gosh, wala tayo snack. We don't have a snack, but we're going to auntie. Meron din tayong soy sauce. The last time kumuha na si Carson ng soy sauce. And then, dalawang UFC ketchup. So, ito ang pinaka-importante sa kanyang barbecue, ang UFC ketchup. Hindi siya gagawa ng barbecue pag hindi kumpleto ang kanyang ketchup because alam naman natin na ang barbecue in the Philippines always uses ketchup. So, meron na tayo niyan. And lastly, meron din tayong wonton skin. So, pag gagawa tayo ng dumplings, meron din tayong ganito. And before we go home, idaan muna natin ang gamot ni Patrick because yesterday, nagpunta din siya ng doctor. And ihatid na lang natin ang kanyang gamot. We are now on our way home. And gusto pa sana namin pumunta ng grocery, but it is already 6 p.m. And since si Austin hindi siya nakatulog, dapat umuwi na kami, pakainin si Austin. And kailangan ko pang gumawa ng rice. And after that one, we will be starting with marinating the barbecue. And then, we will marinate the barbecue for around 1 day. Oo, 1 day plus. Para at least mas manuot ang lasa ng barbecue. And ang barbecue ni Carson is sobrang bentang-benta sa everybody. He makes barbecue so good. So, if you will be interested, I will also teach you. I will show you later in the vlog natin kung
We will ship it overseas.
we will vlog it how he does his barbecue, and then maybe you can also try it and then share to us kung masarap bang totoo or just I'm just making stories, making it up.
I actually don't have like a specific recipe. I just do it
Really?
like
At least they know the ingredients of it, and then you can just decide how many or kung gaano nyo siya gustong gawin like that. So we're gonna be doing that, but first si Austin muna. Gipakita rati ka nga busy na kay siya tanan. Gipakita rati ka na busy na kay siya tanan. Number blocks.
Austin, what are you doing? Wait.
Number. Maybe you can put also orange in there.
Wow. You like it?
Number 2. There.
Wow.
Oh, very good. Oh, where's the eyes? Where's the eyes? Maybe this one. No?
Mommy, see?
Okay. Gusto ka siya sa number blocks. There, this one, oh. C3 is color yellow.
See? Hello.
Oo. That's number 4, be. Mama help you, be. You have to put 1 green first. Look, Mama, ha? Putting 1 green, and then you will put the eyes of number 4. There you go. And then, you will also put it like so. And then that one. And then let's also put one like this for the eyes of number 4.
See? See?
There's the one other eye. Other eye of number 4. Ay, baliktad banday ni. Uy.
See?
We have it like that. And then the other one should be like that. There you go. Number 4. And what number is this? And then let's put the number 4 there.
Mama, Nay.
Asa man to dapat ibutang ang puan?
Nay.
Number 4.
What?
There.
Nay.
Are you happy?
Nay.
9.
Nay. Play. No, play.
Madali ang linis si Mom. Sobrang enjoy na si Austin sa kanyang laruan. Number blocks. So, kailangan ko na itong linisin. Because dadating din si Mother. Masabi niya, hala! What happened? Austin, what happened here? And umalis din kami kanina na ang mga toys ni Austin is nandito lang lahat sa labas. So, i-arrange natin ng konti. Para mamaya kasi si Carson magmamarinate pa siya ng baboy. And I don't know if meron ba siyang time immediate na maglinis. And pag meron kasing gustong gawin si Carson, like for example, gusto niya magluto ng barbecue, uunahin niya talaga yan. Wala yan siyang ibang gagawin. So, that's why ako na lang muna ang maglinis. Yan, bantayan niyo si Austin ha, habang si Mama naglilinis ha, okay? Bantayan ka nila, Austin. Walang pulot-pulot si Mama dito. Number 2 ni mo. Number 2 and number 4. And then look at this one. Look at this one. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, look, oh. Here, oh. You have to fill that in. Yes. You have to fill that in.
No, what Jonas? No, what? What Jonas? No, what? So, Jonas? No, what?
Din ako ng adobo, guys. And guess what? Siya pa talaga ang nag-open. Wow, cook. Be careful, okay? Just mix properly. Kuha tayo ng kanin kay Austin. Kay luto na din ang chicken niya. And then pakainin ko si Austin. Go play. Yes, go play with your number blocks. Ang ulam is adobo. Pinakuha lang ito ni Mother para may ulam. And then, pupunta kasi siya dito mamaya. But, earlier, naluto ko na din ang chicken para kay Austin. Nag-air fryer lang ako ng 2 piraso. Kasi this one is still cooking. And the air fryer chicken is already done. There you go. So, pakainin ko muna si Austin. And let's continue the cleaning after.